So yeah, I've got these little slots in my bench peg, yeah. So I have that, the join there, hold that on the side. That goes in there nice and strong. So that is quite sturdy, yeah. That's quite important, that's quite strong. I'll have the heat on it, my right hand, going on the join there, joins there, heat on it, and then I can pull it open, so let's try it. So I'm going to flux it. Anything I unsolder, I always flux it, because I just feel like it can only be a benefit, can't it? So I'll see if I can use this big chunky torch, rather than wasting my gas on my other one. So I just hold it there, and putting pressure on it, yeah, pulling it towards me. There you go, nice and controlled. Pull that open.